So this next song is an original song that I wrote about what everybody writes their songs about, a broken heart. So I hope you like it or can relate. Pass by the place that you live, and I hope that you get on the train. But bathed in uncomfortable silence, I will be happy to see you again. And as the years go on, we slowly fade, from friendships to secrets to strangers on trains. And I wish I could hold you, feel you and show you it doesn't have to be this way. But I need some kind of confirmation that we're over now. I'm not talking about lovers, I'm not talking about friends. This is not how I wanted our story to end. I won't ask for forgiveness, 'cause I don't regret the things I've done. I'm asking you to ask me to move on. And your smile kills me inside, to know that you're happy, you don't need me at all. But I know the difference between honesty and putting on a show. Said we'd be alright. The odds were against us, but we fight to survive. And I should have awoke you. The dreams that I sold you were dreams that could never come true. And I hope that you're happy this way. And I hope you've accomplished what you set out to do. I hope you believe me when I say not a day goes by I don't think of you. And as the days pass by, the details age, while I wrap up a chapter, you're turning the page. I should have awoke you. The dreams that I sold you, dreams that may never come true. But I need some kind of confirmation that we're all over now. 'Cause I'm not talking about lovers, I'm not talking about friends. This is not how I needed our story to end. I won't ask for forgiveness, 'cause I don't regret the things I've done. But I'm asking you to ask me. I'm asking you to ask me.